So our final is from the civil society, and it's Zomi Inkuan. I'm hoping I've said that right. Oh, good, yes. I did. And thank you for putting your hand up. The floor is yours.
Okay. Honored Chair, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for this opportunity to ask a question. My name is Mung Sian Kim, and I and my colleague right here are representatives of the Zomi Inkuan USA, which is dedicated to serving the well-being and community services of the Zomi people. This conference is on homelessness at the global level, and the Zomi people are in Myanmar, India, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. They have been divided as a result of the colonial period. The Zomi people have a high rate of homelessness in each of the countries in which they reside. Not only many of the indigenous Zomi people are homeless in their own geographical locations, a great number of them are refugees. For example, there are more than 20,000 Zomi refugees residing in Malaysia, recognized by the UNHCR. So my question is, what practical solutions does the United Nations, and particularly this conference on homelessness, have to our people, my people? Second, is there a link between indigenous people divided by national boundaries and homelessness? Third, for we the Zomi people are diversely divided in many different parts of the world, is there a possibility to have a Zomi parliament as a semi-parliament at the United Nations in order to address homelessness among the Zomi people? Thank you very much.
I think the answer to the third question is beyond my pay grade, really, but I'm sure that somebody else will take that up a bit later on. In relation to the first two, I think for sure the idea of the Sustainable Development Goals and the conference is that no one is left behind.